Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sonal Chandak. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss with you the importance of cost accounting. Each and every chapter concept which we learn is because it has its own importance. And here in this chapter, we are going to discuss on what is the importance of cost accounting. Friends, as we know, cost accounting is highly advantageous. It holds importance to many different parties of business. Say, for example, management, investors, employees, government, and even customers too. Let us have a look at some of the points of importance of cost accounting to the management of the organization. The first point is classification of cost. Friends, cost is a very generic term. It needs to be classified so that we can further use it. Cost accounting involves the recording and classification of such costs. Some costs are direct costs, that is, material, labor, and other expenses, which are converted into prime cost. Then factory cost, office and administrative cost, selling and distribution cost, etc. Such classification allows the management to control the cost and ascertain the profitability of any such process and activity. It also helps in calculating the efficiency. Second important point is cost control. An efficient business focuses on controlling the cost of inventory, labor, and various other overhead costs. Cost accounting allows them to do so. For example, to achieve maximum efficiency in their inventory management, they can adopt the EOQ system, EOQ technique, which is a costing technique. Similarly, by analyzing cost, labor and capacity of machinery, their efficiency can be improved also. Cost accounting also classifies overheads into fixed overheads, variable overheads, or controllable overheads, uncontrollable overheads to achieve the cost control. Third important point is price determination. Cost accounting makes the basic distinction between the fixed cost and variable cost. This is then used by the management to fix the prices of the product according to cost of the product. Either we set the price on the basis of cost or we set the price on the basis of profit we charge on the selling price. This allows the management to find the most ideal price for the product or the service. The price has to be not too high, not to be too low. Take, for example, a case where the economy is suffering from depression. Now, in cases of depression, the products are difficult to be sold. Many a times it happens that though we are lowering the price, we are not in a position to sell the products. So the businessman has to lower the price at any cost of the products and survive in the circumstances. Same is the scenario happening presently in the COVID situation. Now, he can begin by trying to control his variable cost and fix his price. Fourth equally important point is fixing of standards. Organizations use standards to make the estimates and budgets for the future. They use these as a basis to measure the actual efficiency of the process or department. There is an entire branch in cost accounting known as standard costing for this process, dedicated to this process. In the previous slide, we discussed about the importance of cost accounting to management. In this slide, we are going to discuss the importance of cost accounting to others. Here, others by we mean workers, government, and customers. Let us speak about the importance of cost accounting to workers. One of the biggest uses of cost accounting is that it helps us in calculating the efficiency. This will help the company to come up with an incentive scheme for the workers who show efficiency in their work. And thus, they will be rewarded, they will be awarded, they will be recognized accordingly. It's also an incentive for the workers who show lower efficiency, and it helps them in doing better performance. If the worker is doing very good, he will be awarded. If the worker is not doing so good, he will be having an attraction of getting the incentives and he will be performing better. Second equally important point is that cost accounting is equally important to the government. Now, costing helps the government when assessing for income tax or any other such government liability. It also helps in setting the standards for the industry and helping them fixing the price. Many times, as we know, the government fixes the prices for the product. If there is a proper costing method followed by each and every organization, the government can set the general price index for such products as well. So price fixing, then tariff plans, then cost control are some of the important issues or aspects in which the government definitely will be interested, or this is more important in that respect. Third is customers. Let us speak about the importance of cost accounting to customers. The main aim of costing is cost control and improvement in the efficiency. These are very beneficial to the company, and ultimately this benefit passes on to the customers of the product or services. If we are doing good, we are efficient, our production activity is doing very good, definitely we are performing more and the price may go down because of the allocation of the fixed cost. The cost lowers, and because the costs are lowered, the price is also reduced. If we are in a position to control the cost, we are in a position to reduce the price. So the benefit directly goes to the customers, helps the customers in this direction. Thus, in this presentation, we have discussed the importance of cost accounting to the management as well as workers, government, and customers. Thank you.